Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
VIP Kid operates as an online English language learning platform, offering live, one-on-one lessons to Chinese students ranging from ages 4 to 18. The platform is designed to provide a personalized and interactive learning experience, with native English-speaking teachers guiding students through English language lessons. Lessons are conducted in a virtual classroom setting through the VIP Kid platform, which includes video conferencing, interactive whiteboards, and teaching materials. 9 ways to earn money from VIP Kid. 1. Teach English lessons. The primary way to earn money on VIP Kid is by teaching English lessons to Chinese students. As a VIP Kid teacher, you conduct one-on-one lessons with students, following a structured curriculum and using provided teaching materials. 2. Set your schedule. VIP Kid offers flexibility in terms of scheduling. You can choose your availability and set your own teaching hours, allowing you to work at times that are convenient for you. 3. Peak hour bonuses. VIP Kid often offers peak hour bonuses, where teachers can earn additional income for teaching during high-demand time slots, such as weekends and evenings in China. 4. Short notice bookings. If you're available for short notice bookings, within 24 hours, you can earn extra money by filling last-minute lesson slots that students book. 5. Incentive and referral programs. VIP Kid has various incentive programs, including referral bonuses. You can earn money by referring new teachers to the platform and receiving a referral bonus when they complete a certain number of classes. 6. Performance bonuses. VIP Kid may offer performance bonuses based on factors like attendance, parent feedback, and student progress. High-performing teachers can receive additional compensation. 7. Teacher Referral Program. In addition to referring new teachers, you can refer students to VIP Kid, which can lead to increased teaching opportunities and earnings. 8. Participate in VIP Kid workshops. VIP Kid often hosts workshops and training sessions for its teachers. Participating in these workshops can improve your teaching skills and may lead to additional teaching opportunities and bonuses. 9. Offer trial classes. Some teachers choose to specialize in offering trial classes to potential new students. If these students enroll in VIP Kid after taking your trial class, you can earn money for each successful conversion.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.